Hello BYJU'S, this is Karunesh Pathak from Kanpur. Today I am going to present a video demo lecture on the topic Indian Independence Movement. So let's start. Today we are going to understand a little concept of freedom. India got independence on 15th of August 1947, as you know. But do you know, it was an instant factor. There are two types of ideologies related to the Indian national movement. The first one is the Gandhian era, that you heard about Gandhi, you heard about the nationalistic movements, they led to our country towards freedom. But the second ideology is that it was an international reason that India got independence. So today we are going to discuss the second reason. Instant reason was international affair. During the Second World War, Britain got weaker. Due to the help of the USA, Britain won this war. But during the 1945, the world knows the next superpower known as USA. So there was a little polarization between the Britain and the USA. USA called the British Prime Minister and said there is no reason to make too many nations colony. So let us know what is the main reason why you doing this. And here in India, the Quit India movement was led by Gandhi. Two factors. Britain got weaker, India got stronger due to the Gandhi, due to the nationalistic movements, and British got weaker due to the Second World War. In these two pictures, there was a little factor, the general elections in the England. 1946, general elections were held in the England, and the prime ministerial candidate was Clement Attlee, related to the Labour Party. In 1946 general election in England, Clement Attlee was so popular, like Modi ji in 2014, and the current prime minister Winston Churchill was so unpopular, like Sonia Gandhi in 2014. In their assemblies, Clement Attlee promised the people of the Britain that if Labour Party won the election and he became the Prime Minister, he will provide independence to the India. And after all, the people of Britain also wanted that India should free. That's why Labour Party won the elections. In 1946, Clement Attlee came into the power and became the Prime Minister of the Britain. And he made his promise. In his first meeting, he decided to put his cabinet off to the India and ensure the peaceful transference of the power. And this incident in 1946, February month, was known as the Cabinet Mission Plan. It was the only mission had come to India was welcomed with the smiley face. And the reason behind it, that they had come to India to provide us freedom. The peaceful transference of the power, the strategy to make India independence had taken couple of months, and in December 1946, India had its own Constituent Assembly. The first meeting of the Constituent Assembly was held at Delhi, 9th of December 1946. So, what was the major responsibility of the cabinet mission? The major responsibility was to create a constitutional assembly and ask them to make the constitution of India and peaceful transference of the power. So, job done. Cabinet mission did his work very beautifully and they back off to the Britain. 1946, November, elections was completed. December 9, 1946, the first meeting of the Constituent Assembly held at Delhi, the Central Hall, and within the 2 years, 11 months and few days, India made its constitution. But constitution was implemented on 26th of January 1950. During this period, we had transferred the power on 15th of August 1947. If I say it was a peaceful transference of power, so I am not wrong. If Britishers say they played a role in the independence of India, they are also not wrong. If the people of India says that we snatched the freedom, It is not completely true. Why? Because every person is fighting for his own reasons. If I am not wrong, there are too many vernacular leaders which are leading to the freedom but their own interest. Like Bhagat Singh, like Chandrasekhar Azad, they all are nationalistic leaders. But why the revolt of 1857 failed? Lack of national leadership. And Gandhi was the man who provided the national leadership to India. And due to the national leadership, due to the nationalism, due to the too many national movements, India got freedom. So there are two ideologies. The first one is national movements and the second one is the instant factor. So today I decided the instant factor why India got freedom on the day of 15th of August 1947. If you want some additional information, I have to say that the 15th of August 1945 was the date when the Japan surrenders. After the nuclear attacks, Japan was broke down, and 6th and 9th of August 1945, when Japan had the biggest attack of the history of the world, he was broke down. After 1 week, 15th of August, he surrendered. The king, the monarch of Japan, Hirohito, declared that Japan wants peace. While Britishers backing off from the India, they thought that why can't they celebrate this moment? So they decided to got India freedom on the 15th of August in the memory of the victory of the Second World War. It was the reason. So I hope you all have understood my lecture. Thank you.